Massachusetts health officials say there are 15 new cases of COVID-19 on this Saturday, bringing the total number of presumptive positive cases across the state to 119. Now, with that in mind, several Boston hospitals have decided to limit the number of visitors as they try to protect patients from the virus. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Ken McLeod.
And I'm Katie Brace. So here's a look now at the new numbers. There are 19 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the state, with 119 presumptive positives, meaning the CDC has not yet confirmed them. The Massachusetts Department of Public Health says 104 of the 119 cases are either related to attendees of the Biogen conference or folks who have had contact with those who attended the conference. And as of today, 11 of the cases have required a hospital stay.
The new round of presumptive positives have resulted in several firsts as the virus continues to spread in the Bay State.
WBZ's Jim Smith is live in the Satellite Center tonight with the very latest. Jim.
And Ken and Katie, the geographic spread of those cases in Massachusetts does continue to grow tonight, and that is reflected in the latest numbers.
On Saturday, Cape Cod confirmed its first presumptive positive case of COVID-19. Mass TPH says the patient was admitted to Cape Cod Healthcare Hospital with respiratory symptoms. Officials say the patient will remain in their care until they are stable and can return home for the remainder of the CDC recommended quarantine period of 14 days. All staff who came into contact with that patient are also being monitored. And in Worcester, that city is also announcing their first presumptive positive case. Authorities saying that case is also related to that Biogen conference in Boston last month. They say 5 other people in Worcester are under observation awaiting testing. The city also announced the Worcester Public Library will be closed until further notice. Braintree officials have also announced a presumptive case. They say that patient is in isolation, adding that the individual does not have kids enrolled in Braintree Public Schools.
Also tonight, Brigham and Women's Hospital has announced a new policy in response to this crisis. In a statement, the hospital says, as the COVID-19 pandemic continues, we will be deferring appropriate, effective, and elective, and non-urgent care to ensure the safest possible environment for patients and staff. The hospital is saying they are working to implement strategies and begin communication to providers, staff, and affected patients immediately as far as this new policy. Live in the Satellite Center, Jim Smith, WBZ News.
All right.